It's March Day. Yes, and it's a Sunday. Yemo Vivia Kwaba, Embra, Fortifying Stand with Obed Oba. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Chumase Asante Kotoko. Sante Kotoko Ejina Akono Ene Ewo Brekum Golden City Park. Uh, well, interesting. Well, let's just do this before I even come to other news. Your prediction. Exactly, hopefully, by 1:30 we should be seated now, Yaba Live, where we would try as much as possible, say, the coverage. For now, the AI complete preparation for live commentary, that is audio. The Diakaye video. The men are on their way to Brekum. But don't forget to drop your prediction. Yeah, just prediction and pay. Send here the first part of our life, which we get so interactive. Yeah, we read you be our prediction. We will read everybody's prediction. But in to drop your prediction under this particular post. Now, but Brekum Chelsea 4 hours ago just published the current state of the Brekum Golden City Park. And I'm going to show you that video. Embo Brekum Chelsea for Nabaso. I mean, the pitch looks neat. Adiana Kofi Tagore the buyer on Wednesday, exactly the same thing. Penny friend a down to wa paint venue ni pa, wa painting the blue, kama. And park no so there. From the picture, that's so pa. Let's just go and watch the place where the game itself will happen. Now, don't forget to also drop your comment and your prediction. Yes, it's a difficult game for Kotoko, but you drop your prediction. My name is Over the Channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right, so that is the current state of the Brekum Chelsea pitch. But a quick announcement before we move to other issues. 30 minutes ago, I say I'm grateful to Asante Kotoko, its management, coaches, players, and fans for the 3 incredible years with this great club. As my contract ends today, I reflect on the unforgettable memories, experience, and growth. I wish the club the best this season. Cheers. Mami reading it. I say I'm grateful to Asante Kotoko, its management, coaches, players, and fans for the 3 incredible years with this great club. As my contract expires today, I reflect on the unforgettable memories, experience, and growth. I wish the club the best this season. Cheers. Mohammed Sharif, the midfielder. And 13 minutes ago, I post our Facebook and on Twitter announcing his exit from Kumasi Asante Kotoko. We had to pause this video for me to make some calls. my friend key people Kotoko team no more year pre-match with a year Brekum Chelsea team penny for the heading. Then the player himself number uncle. So let me say the number me one uncle. T. Yeah, they are same way better. But Sheriff Mohammed announced on Twitter say on a Kotoko contract na be so kai video na me yeah na me bobo players are na Kotoko register or me catch us say Kotoko register Sheriff JC number 4. But I don't know whether his contract has been renewed. I said that emphatically. Say me check a list and the D will JC number 4 registered. But me names and the contract Kotoko renew and now someone renew. I said it in that video. And now the boy is saying that the contract ne wune, which is on the 29th of September. And the contract with Kotoko ewu. Inti oda Asante Kotoko management ase, coaches ase, players ase, echitafo ase. Wonfie miensa wone Kotoko aba abehia bom na omedimfu pa na enije a wanya must say the unforgettable memories, experience and growth. Nyini a wabenyini wo Kotoko. Ofiri division 1 e baaye wabenyini wababesua nioma and nioma PSC and ire entimi mfi. Or we say club not the best this season, not the cheers as us. Comments ne was yen no pa. Man for a palai. But a match day. But the news is Sheriff Mohammed say on a contract aquarium. I don't know your take on that. But a match day. And on match day we focus on the game. Inti yebetwaso. Yes, yebetwaso, and we'll get to the issue. Well, as to what exactly happened, Gominim said 2 months ago, someone key within Kotoko catch him so there's an approval from the coach to start contract negotiation talks with Sheriff to extend his contract. Maybe it's our story, no. But my story that said Kotoko officially I extend the boy in the contract. My that. Boy in the Kotoko started training ye who that. News back one the last time I'm a court tamale them a pick any so was starting recovery. Inti I think say at the tour. But now who be here see the bemamo. Now here we are, yako other news. Again, who should start for Kotoko? Henry Ansu or Justice Blay? Saaka Dauda or Yema Nkwalani be chance. But that's the news from the camp of Sheriff Mohammed. Right, yeah, to answer or so. Like I said, it's March Day officially. Asante Kotoko in a publication that is March Day. Come on, porcupines. A lot of people are commenting under that particular post. Adieba Akwa, Edamupai, good luck. I mean, at the moment, the best things you can wish the team a good luck. See, I wish you more good luck. We all know the injury issues or the Kotoko team. Injuries, are taking something out of Kotoko. Like I was saying yesterday, if you have Baba Aya, Samuel Tinedu, Samba O'Neill, a smart Abdul Hamid, omunyina free game more. So players for you. So Ubo game now we introduce them at one particular time. You can imagine the kind of variations and how a bit may be changing game from the bench. But Kotoko will be losing the services of all these players. Asante Kotoko chita for no ebi ewo Brekum dada. Together with the BRC, Siomene Nyoma Egua Kwemo. My last call, a call and I just say, the penny about catch him so players need the area or maybe on breakfast area. Our meeting with the technical team. So that's what he told me. Say on a players in any technical team meeting. Normally what we call the technical meeting. One of the things the coaches will discuss with the players before say on the field not so proper. Until OCBBR that everything seems to be okay from the camp, and that is what we always expect. Say team need to kwaya. Echitafo no so na almost so every Kumase na free Kumase almost so enam kwemu ko. I spoke to one network no basa kakra okwan so. I wanted to at least bring his audio into even this video, but network near bad. Was sending me text say they are on their way. or pick a corner network nearby. So let's keep it there and let's just hope someone free bear 10 something to roughly by 1 there. They will definitely be in Brekum Dada. It's almost a 2 hour, 2.5 hours. Bomba corner boko by 1 normal Brekum. By 1:30 the normal stadium hall. Na the akani nyina atimi akwa akotwa so. E de ama Asante Kotoko 1:32 so need him say team no ebe start warm up na bibia akoye. Wow. And why the mamo players available in camp Ferry Kasari Mohammed Kamara. This week na me ne panyini bi din komo kept on asking say the Ferry Kasari issue no can be an issue at one point in time. The International Kasa is a national team captain very soon. The Black Stars call up Beba. But we still have to give the coach the benefit of doubt because so far in 2 matches, I consider one goal with Kamara. It will depend on how Frederick Kasari can prove to the technical team that indeed he is supposed to be number one. In the goalkeeping department, and it's a very dicey place. I explained it several times, and now I'm on for also blogging about Kotoko starting with that picture. If you go to the Kotoko training grounds, you are more likely to get that part wrong when it comes to the goalkeeper. But that is the game. Lord Amoah confirmed that he is fit together with Emmanuel Kote. Kote nya Black Galaxy's call up. Frederick Kasari nya call up. Kote nya Justice Blay nya Baba nya 4, Emmanuel Antwi 5, Peter Akwa and Saaka Amoah. 7 players of Kotoko nya. For now, the meeting has a Ablo. On board matches be brief for him to get a call up. Lord Amoah, yes, he did well for Chelsea. So far, I think say a bad didn't see a friend. Patrick Asiedu will be playing today. A bad didn't see a friend. But for the call up, I think the player back when I maybe expect a man was Albert Amoah. Last season, Amoah didn't do that bad for a year. Olympics, 5 goals in 17 matches. But there is still time we improve more. I think my best is so Baba will be out of the lineup sending in for Dauda Saaka to come in. Saaka against Edwin Tufuo. Tough battle. Edema Asante Kotoko. Gregory Obeng Setre. Ediana Brekum Chelsea share Karela. 1-0. I think Brekum Chelsea is even yet to concede a goal this particular season. About 2 matches or 4 points. So they have a stubborn defense. I mean, you have to give them the respect when it comes to the Brekum Chelsea defense. So far, it hasn't been that bad. Coach Samuel Boadu is an attacking-minded coach. By any means, Coach Samuel Boadu no so. At heart to folk, his team was not conceding baby. So yes, that is Brekum Chelsea for you when you are looking at the permutation. For Brekum Chelsea and Kotoko match. And yes, I'm a vim no formal, but and better. So yes, Brekum Chelsea have scored 1 goal and they've not conceded. Teams are among conceding will league na Mediama about 2 matches. They've not conceded a goal. Samates about 1. About draw against Dream FC, so they've also not conceded a goal. Now Wababenya a year. Brekum Chelsea are also conceded goal. Our matches on my board so far. So Brekum Chelsea is yet to concede. They've scored 1 goal, and that goal was against Karela. And not any Brekum Chelsea there. Also, Gregory Obeng Setre definitely is set to start for Brekum Chelsea. My brand fan Asamoah Kofo, based on what I'm picking, Asamoah Kofo is so likely to start for Brekum Chelsea. Fuseni Zakaria, also a player back one. Who's was starting at Brekum Chelsea, a brand fan Frank Opon, and also a likely starter for Brekum Chelsea. Collins Ameyaw, also a likely starter for team friend Brekum Chelsea. And also a Diefruba. A brand fan Seidu Mohammed, and also a midfielder. Who's was starting Emmanuel Sapon and Mozart a free year. Mishak a free year. Yes. Mizak a free year. So up line, front line, expect Stephen Amankona, Sapon, Emmanuel Sapon, and Misak every year. That will be the front three based on what I am picking at the moment. And a middle lineup of Abrante Feni Seydou Mohammed, Collins Amoah, Hubert Jew is also knocking on the door. Hubert Jew, this season about just 38 minutes, but he's also knocking on the door. Collins Amoah, Seydou Mohammed here. These are two players from what I'm picking on. Omo ebetimi ejiremo e Brekum Chelsea omo a defense ho. Sorry, omo midfield ho. Na Frank Opon, Zakaria Fuseni, Asamoah Kofo, and Gregory Obeng Sechere. 2 games, we keep 2 clean sheets. And also AD free. So these are some of the things that if you have made a amount Brekum Chelsea omo a team num so far and a news eba Collins Amoah okay Seydou Mohammed ya tete ho kakra e de amamo. This is something like the possible 11 of Brekum Chelsea based on nipa bi amegini di kakra was send me there free the camp of Brekum Chelsea and amaye ho adwuma e de amamo. What do I know about some of these players? I know Collins Amoah to be a creative player. He most of the distribution for Brekum Chelsea in their middle, and he's one tall player. On your tall, but or a key distributor. Abrante Feni Seydou Mohammed about the combative side of the game. So yes, and Edwin Tufor. So Edwin Tufor, Asamoah Kofo, Zakaria Fuseni, and Frank Opon normally will form the back line for a team of Brekum Chelsea. As to how I got this particular name. So kakra if Chelsea aso no eba ena mediama me the park no so no e dey achiro for you to see the state of it. Now Kotoko. All right, Yambra Asante Kotoko side. The conversation between Mohammed Kamara and Fede Kasare is a key one. In team goalkeeping department, yemfa non tour. I will say it again and again. Yemfa non tour. Ka away game be say no Fede Kasare national team call up nintino. And ka was starting Kenya bad. But Kamara soon disappointing. Yemfa non tour near head yebeko. Who this time around, based on the plan of Kotoko coach Ogum, Obe decided so I'd start no Brekum. Well, Lord Amoah Patrick Esie do justice, Blay, Joseph Ablo, Emmanuel Antwi, Intimenu Michael Che Jamana, Saaka Amoah Amoah, dear, peke. So betimi a start Yama Kotoko. I'm not surprised with this. Blay for a year. Blay and Ablo. Ka nsuso ne Ablo bona nka Blay beka ebia intim ho. Ewo mfimfin ho na moyiri mfimfin ho na ebia Emmanuel Antwi ginomanimu a na nka no so nye bad idea. Wunya ansu na nka wanya eye Blay gina ansu nim. That is Blay as a defensive midfielder with intim. Na omugina Emmanuel Antwi achi. In less than 2 hours time, the lineup will officially come out. But this is what we are picking. But me who says based on what we are picking in here. A Blay ne Ablo. Na me in team Che ene Emmanuel Antwi as the midfield 3 for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Senior eno eba na Saaka Amoah, former player of Bofa scoring 8 goals. Clearly, we are yet to see the best of Saaka Amoah after he joined Asante Kotoko. No credit da no aka. Saaka ba ni yen share den hu na hoden na ho keka ene ni dwumadie yie e Asante Kotoko team no. Nobody is doubting his potential, but the 2 matches you can see that especially Obuasi the no buy no the energy be shame trying to do something. But on one kasa when anye anything. So this will be his first start for Kotoko. This will be Justice Blay's first start for Kotoko. And possibly Fede Kasare's also first start for Kotoko. Possibly. But Blay the himself started and a year Saaka so started. Peter Akwaso yeseroke kan ho. Because for the last 2 games, we've not seen much of Peter Akwa. For Lord ne Patrick Esie do there. Yenka bebre mfa mo ho. The injuries will still be an issue. Tinedu, Blay, Samba, is smart, big issue. Because Keduru baby a Kotoko betimi abo Samba. Is smart any Patrick Esidu or left ho. On Samba jina. Samba Samba ne ablo. Mo boy smart ne Patrick Esidu. 3 and 11. Coach Mikaisa Ashley Corner and Bertrand no mo 3 and 11. Wage na benkum na wage na 11. Ti benkum honestly obi enko the smart is not available. That is also a big blow. And you are picking it. The grounds is fertile. The video near the abecho. Just that the shocking news this morning is Sheriff announcing his exit from Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Me sure say it will be a big subject. Whether we also try and confirm it, but it's the official account of the boy and then the account, you know. And him say the contract who tie me in past videos, the contract be in the middle of the season. I kept on saying say ebewu. And he say ewu. Ode embo ball ni wie. Embo ball me sure say by the time embo ball na wie die. Na yetimi edi mu nkomo pa yi. Na yetimi asi. But this is a game that Asante Kotoko cannot afford to lose. I mean, a defeat will be a big issue for the team. A bit demoralize fans nepa. Nka 1 win, 1 draw, 1 defeat in your bad. But to fight for the league, open league in Nigeria, then you be saying now kwa obe make sure so over the point beba. Untimi confound sapine basa. Forget about the injuries. It can be a perfect excuse. But again, him say season here long, but we manage a very small squad. And the players are capable. I mean, the Patrick Esidu be share smart and I Blay last season in Mboa Oboma Kotoko into a beshe Samba na enye hu biasa se Saaka be share baba ya na enye hu biasa. The issue is the bench. So let's see how this starting 11 beats me manage the first part of the game. Say Asar Nebedao, say Asar Nebedao, say Asar Nebedao. He's also a good replacement for Abrante Fen Mohammed Kamara. And also any issue. As a Kamara na Nebedaswa. So far, he has displayed top performance for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nti kakre oha no pay ye de bremo. Your prediction. Exactly your prediction so that we can read it before you even start the streaming. Near your demo prediction na started a discussion now and sakra ye bremu or other matters around Asante Kotoko. So this is Porcupine Stand with Silver. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your best share. Bye bye.